Good. It's not even morning anymore, y'all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, trying to act like we professional. We not professional at all.
At all.
Go ahead, say what you gotta say to these people.
Give me this stuff.
Go ahead. Oh, don't drop it now.
Sure shit will.
Don't. I'ma wait. For what? For you to adjust yourself. You can speak. I'ma wait. Oh, my belly big.
Okay, unbig that belly.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. My neighbors look like Tyler Perry.
Anyway, come on, get ready. Take two. Hey, y'all.
Hi.
Ooh, today we are here at Cats and Caffeine Cat Cafe. I had to read it real quick. Yes, so we're gonna go and play with kitties, eat little snacks. They're like little kittens.
But we're not gonna adopt any of them.
Bombastic side eye.
We have to say this out loud and put it in the air because this one over here talk about let's adopt. Let's not.
Criminal offensive side eye.
I mean, once you see these kitties, you're gonna want to take them home with you. Even though I am not a cat fan, I think kittens, little kitties, are so
You know they're gonna
cute.
grow into a big old cat, right?
At that time, you just get rid of them.
I'm speechless.
Oh my God.
With that being said, we're gonna go play with some kitties,
So
y'all.
how would you feel if your mother said I only like babies and then she got rid of you?
That's sad. When you put it like that, it's sad.
It's real sad. That's horrible.
But I'm
Don't
sure
say
somebody
that.
would want a kitty, a big kitty.
A big cat? No, not a lot of people get cats. Think we should walk up now?
So apparently they say, they give you your reservation information, and on that email it says you have to wait exactly until the time for your appointment to go inside. So our appointment's at 1 o'clock. Now it is 12:54. On that time crunch
Restriction.
Mm-hmm.
Read the email.
Restriction.
Say what?
That's what you said. They're gonna go play with these kittens before us. Who the do they think they are?
Yeah,
It is what it is. But anywho, so y'all get ready with us to go play with some kittens in this kitty cat. Wait, wrong name. Y'all get ready with us to go play with some kittens. We're gonna go to Cats and Caffeine Cat Cafe.
Y'all heard what the girl said. Let's go, bitches.
Let's go!
When it's been a few hours, when it felt like this.
Hi. Yes. Regine.
Yep, I see you.
All right. Thank you.
Our only rule with the kittens is that you're sitting down when you play with them. Last, we asked that you do a rotation at some point during your visit so people can just sit where you're sitting and play with the same kitties.
Let's go play with the kitty cats.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
So cute inside. They're sleeping. Hi. You look like Luna. Oh, this place is so cute and pink and what I love.
This is life for you.
Yes.
This ran off.
Go play with one, kitty.
Why this cat looking like y'all woke me up for this? Come on now.
He likes to play with your hair.
Be careful of Sam, our resident cat, and this bigger black one. They get aggressive when it comes to treats, so feed them like a horse, calm down, they will bite. Did you want some treats?
I'm scared of that one. You just said be careful. I'm so scared. I think it's nap time, huh? That one's over there cleaning. Just sleeping. Sarah. Don't wake him up. I think we came at the wrong time.
Hope you know what you want. What you want.
That would be good. Or not. You can try to hold her a little tighter. She
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up.
Bitch, I'm in your shit. Bitch.
They fight.
It's her playtime. So we're just married. Much better. Okay. Spoke too soon.
Don't worry. You can go past the place. Go ahead. It's okay.
Hey, you get your fucking hands off me.
Sarah, they see your hair. Sarah. They just don't like me today. Jay already. Jay. Come on now.
Hey y'all, and that was a wrap with the kitties and Caffeine. Some of them beat Regina up. I swear, I've seen it all.
So I want to go eat. Sarah thinks that we shouldn't eat, so I should just drop her off home and I'm gonna go eat by myself then. Huh? Yes, you did.
I just was thinking about the other people with allergies.
Forget everyone with allergies.
Sexy motherfucker, you the baddest one.